What's up, guys? How are you, everyone? Today we are going to be learning about variance and standard deviation. Variance is the spread of data just like if you spread butter on toast. Um, so to find the variance, we press the equal sign, VAR. You should select the P population because it will select the whole thing. If you put S, it will just select a part of it. So I'll click this, double click, then you have to select all of these and then equal. We found the variance. Now for standard deviation, this is the square root of the variance. It's often used to describe the typical deviation of a data point from the mean. Standard deviation is just like if a car is coming off a road or it's going a different way or it's just like going off the road. So to find the standard deviation on Microsoft Excel, we select this, put the equal sign, and then S. Yeah, we select the equal sign. Yes, so we select ST, then ST population. I told you the same thing for variance. If you select S, it just selects a portion. If you select P, it selects the whole thing. So we put P here, double click, and then we select all of them. We go all the way down. Yeah, enter. So now we got the standard deviation. It's 17.5. The variance and standard deviation provide complementary ways to measure the spread of data. So, okay, bye bye guys. See you in the next video.